So good morning, it's Wednesday the 5th, February 5th. We stayed in Rotorua last night. Tasha working hard on the internet.
Texting them.
So this was our little site last night. And enjoying some coffee and some breakfast and the morning birds. Plan for today is we have to wait for the Jucy repair guy mechanic to come, so our chili bin doesn't work and the starter's starting to go, so he's going to take a look at that. He's due here about 8:30, so hopefully he can get that fixed. We were looking at going to one of the Mari centers, but I'm not sure if we'll have time. We'll see how long it takes him to do that, and then we're going to head down to the crossing, the national park. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, the Tongariro crossing. Get on that tomorrow. I'm going to try to get up on that on a 6 o'clock shuttle, so we got to make reservations for that. So far so good. It's a beautiful morning, a little chilly, but quite a surprise last night. We laid down to go to sleep last night, and all of a sudden the van started rocking and rolling, and apparently, according to the morning news, there was a 5.5 earthquake somewhere. I have to look that up and see where that happened. We could feel it up here. To the Mari village, we did make it.
Ki Te Puia ko ngā mahi ārehia. Nei rā te mihi mai oha kia koutou katoa. Ko whakaru ka mai nei I runga I te kaupapa o te rā. Tēnā tātou. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, kia ora.
Kia ora.
We'll try that one more time. Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Well done. Kia ora and welcome to our beautiful country of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Our lovely city of Rotorua, but more especially here at Te Puia for your cultural experience. My name is Te Puia, and I will be your hostess for this morning's program.
Wave equipment from side to side, hoping to get your opponent's eyes off guard. We would slip
But yes, this here is our marae atia. Before entering inside a meeting house, you always remove hats, sunglasses, and also your
Then met our tour guide, who took us to the Mari Arts and Crafts Institute. They have 3 programs: stone carving, wood carving, and weaving. These are typically along the gender lines. They take 3 to 5 students per year, and their tuition is free. It's paid for by your admission to the center. They then take these skills back to their tribes and their hometowns. After we got to see that, we went on a nature walk. We looked at the geysers, some more geothermal pools, some mud pools, and yeah, just kind of walked around and enjoyed the afternoon outside. And then finally, they do have a Kiwi education center, as in the flightless bird. They actually have the center set up so the Kiwi, being nocturnal, is actually awake during the day. They trick it using lighting. So we actually got to see one. They do have 2, and one came out. Pretty awesome. After that, it was back to the van and started our beautiful drive down to the Tongariro National Park, and beautiful scenery along the way. The village in the national park. Took us a couple hours from Rotorua to get down here. Beautiful drive. We're camped for 2 nights at the Plateau Lodge. So, we're at spot number 1. There's a spa. Across the way there's toilets and showers. And then up that way is the main building. So that is the kitchen and the laundry and all that. So instead of bringing a day pack and a backpack, I'm just going to use my backpack for day hike. We're getting ready to make dinner. So after dinner, we were early birds, and in bed we went. We had to get up at 4:30 in the morning. We had a 6 o'clock shuttle for our big adventure, Tongariro crossing.